Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode. Today we'll be making chicken wings and chicken nuggets. Today's ingredients are... Okay guys, let me take you through to what I've done earlier on to prep these. With my chicken wings, which are now winglets, you place them in your paper towel and you pat them dry. You put them in a bowl. In another bowl, you mix your flour, you mix your cumin, you mix your paprika and aromat of course. Mix them together and then you dip these, you put them in a plastic bag. Then you pack them in the fridge for 30 minutes, the least an hour, or overnight, which is a bonus. Coming to my chicken fillets that are now cut into bite sizes. With these, I took amasi, or in this case, I've used plain yogurt. Mix it with cumin, paprika, and aromat of course. Put them in the fridge, and then you get these results before you fry them. There's two ways in achieving these chicken wings. It's either you use eggs or you just go straight to flour. In this instance, guys, I'm going to show you both ways. I've got my egg, that's just one egg that I'm going to whisk and dip in my chicken fillets. I think I'm happy. As I've mentioned earlier on, there's two ways in achieving these. So with my chicken nuggets, I've decided to show you one way and the other way with my chicken wings. We'll start with our chicken nuggets. With my chicken fillets, which are now small bite sizes, you season them using a paprika. I've used about a tablespoon of paprika and aromat 1.5 tablespoon. And I've rubbed them nicely, you massage them so that you can get the spices in, dip them into a yogurt, and you pack them in your fridge. Now, this is the first way of doing it. You take each size, as I've whisked the egg earlier on, you put them in your egg. Okay. Just make sure that every piece has been coated with your egg mixture. Just mix them nicely until you're happy. In this case, I'm happy. This mixture, I'm going to use both my chicken nuggets and for my chicken wings. I've added about 1.5 cups of flour, a cup of breadcrumbs, and I've used 1.5 tablespoons of paprika and some aromat. So you mix them together. This is for your coating. So it's good to have seasoning both into your chicken and your coating as well. And now we get back to our chicken fillets. Take each piece and we put them in here. There you go, guys. And you just coat everything in together. This is how it should be. It's all coated nicely. I would like to say evenly. And then I'm gonna transfer each piece aside by also patting them. I don't want my pan to be full of flour, but at the same time, they all need to be coated. These are the results, guys, of our chicken nuggets. Now the next step will be frying them. As you can see, guys, with all the marinade that I did last night, because mine, I've put them in the fridge overnight, they sticky like this. So I want to separate them. To separate them, I have to put them in this mixture, which is breadcrumbs and flour. In the meantime, guys, we should have our oil ready so that we can start with the process of frying. These are the results, evenly coated. Pat them as well, get rid of the excess flour. There we go, guys. Okay, I just want to test my oil, but I think it's quite hot. Just need a little piece. Okay, it is ready. One thing that you need to take note is not to overcrowd your pan so that everything can be cooked evenly. Okay, time to cook these. It doesn't really take much, especially the chicken fillets. It's about, let's say, give or take 6 minutes for them to get done. And on the other side, I've also got my chips that I'm making to go with my chicken wings. It's time for our wings. With our wings, guys, give or take 12 minutes, but again, do not overcrowd your pan. Just make sure that everything is in so that they can cook evenly, like mine now. They're cooking evenly. I don't really have to turn them. And they're gonna cook nicely when it's like that, when your pan is not overcrowded. The reason why I'm putting these kitchen towels is to make sure that it absorbs any excess fat or oil from my chicken nuggets, chicken wings, or my chips. I think my chicken nuggets are ready. They're nice and golden brown. I'm going to take them out. They're nice, look crispy and golden brown. And I've made sauce earlier on just to go with our chicken. I've mixed 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and a dash of soy sauce. And I've just put them in a pan and I just warm everything up. Oh yeah, and I've put some chili sauce as well. And to go with everything, guys, I've made an iced tea. I've used rooibos tea bags, pomegranate tea bags, and some sugar. Enjoy. See you next time.